Hello, everyone, and welcome to break 6,330 for the 2021-22 Hit Parade Hockey Platinum Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, May 18th, 2022. It's 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:29 p.m. Central Time, and 7:29 p.m. Pacific Time. And the break, Manny has 2, Sierra Lee with 1, Chris 1, Rez 2, Seska 2, Sierra Lee with 4, CH West 4, KTM 3, Sport Card Shop 4, Brett with 2, Podcast 2, Pre-Drag 3, and Sierra Lee with 1 team. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Manny's on top. Sierra Lee on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has CH West on top and on the bottom. CH West has the Ducks, Coyotes, Sierra Lee with the Bruins, Seska Sabres, Manny with the Flames, Sport Card Shop Hurricanes, CH West Blackhawks, Brett Avalanche, Sierra Lee with the Blue Jackets, Chris with the Stars, Sierra Lee with the Red Wings, Podcast Oilers, Sport Card Shop with the Panthers, Sierra Lee with the Kings, Seska Wild, KTM with the Canadiens Predators, Podcast Devils, Rez with the Islanders, Manny Rangers, Brett Senators, Flyers, Vibes with the Penguins, Pre-Drag Blues, Sharks, Brett Lightning, Sierra Lee Maple Leafs, KTM with the Canucks, Sierra Lee Golden Knights, Pre-Drag Capitals, and last but not least, CH West has the Winnipeg Jets. All sealed up. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We have a Brad Marchand 25 out of 100 premium jersey auto 1 in 100. Very cool for the Boston Bruins. Game used hockey memorabilia. Very nice for Boston. Kaprizov not tonight. Sierra Lee with the Boston Bruins 63-30 and the 2021-22 Hit Parade Hockey Platinum Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot in the 2022 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Value Pack. Thanks.